Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you a very easy ombre nail art. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I'll get my nail and come in with my gel polish. I'll be using the cafe latte kind of shade because I'm going for something neutral. Afterwards, I'll just go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. I'll come in with a second coat since I want it more vivid, but this time I'm not going to cure it. I'll get my orange gel polish and put a little amount on the tip of the nails. Using a very fine brush, I'll just work my way downwards. I aim to get it to kind of dissolve into the cafe latte nail polish. So I'm all done now. I'll just go ahead and come in with one coat of a milky pink gel polish. So this polish is translucent, so it will help, give the perfect ombre effect without giving it that sharp, transition. And finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. Here we are, and I hope I helped you. I hope you do give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'm going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.